Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do a quick video on how to wash your lashes at home with your Minx by Pinky Foam Lash Cleanser. So that is dropping this Friday, and I wanted to just show you guys how to properly wash your eyelashes at home with your new product. So stay tuned. This is my model Cleo. She's going to be helping me show you guys how to use your lash cleanser. So you're going to need your cleansing brush and your foam lash cleanser by Minx by Pinky. And you're also going to need a fan. You can use either a fan or you can use your blow dryer and a lash spoolie. So basically you just want to either apply the foam to your eyelid or you can put it on your brush. And you want to just make sure that you get all in between each lash and make sure that you're getting your upper eyelid really good. And here she is again, just making sure you're getting all the excess either makeup or dirt and dead skin that's kind of on your top lid. You want to make sure that you're getting that off. And then once you're done, you just can wet your brush and with some water and just rinse your top lid. And then just repeat. So you just want to make sure that you're getting all that extra makeup that might be on your lid, like either concealer or eyeshadow. And then once that's done, you want to take the fan or your blow dryer, and you want to make sure that you are brushing through these lashes. This is the single most important thing about washing your lashes, is that you want to make sure that you brush them through thoroughly, because when lashes are wet, they tend to stick together, and you don't want that to happen at all. So you want to brush through them and make sure they're nice back and fluffy. And when they're wet, the fans tend to kind of stick, they tend to close. So you want to make sure that you're definitely blowing them out. Now if you're using a blow dryer, you want to make sure that you use it on cool and low, because you don't want to blow your lashes away and you don't want to melt them. So make sure that you have your blow dryer on cool. So once your lashes are all dry, you guys are good to go and ready to just slay, okay? Period. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you come and purchase your Minx by Pinky Foam Lash Cleanser and get your loyalty card with your purchase. And I hope that you guys continue to subscribe and watch all of my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.